Hi everybody, I'm Danny Dancer. I'm the social studies educator here at Children's Museum Houston, and this week in Junction we are making 3D rainbow heart mobiles. What is that? I will show you. We have different colored strips of paper in different rainbow colors. Now, if you're doing this at home, you could actually just use all strips of the same color paper. You can mix and match 2 or 3 different colors, but I'm using rainbow colors because I think they're extra fancy. You're gonna need 6 different strips to make one half of your heart mobile, and then 6 more to make the other half. So if you have a piece of construction paper, just cut it into long strips that are each about 1 inch wide. Next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna take your 6 papers. Now again, I'm using rainbow colors, so I'm gonna go ahead and put them in rainbow order with my red, orange, yellow, green, blue. I don't have indigo, but that's okay. And violet. And I'm gonna have them overlapping each other just about 1 inch apart like this. Now I want my red strip to be on the outside, so I'm gonna turn it over and I'm gonna cut off everything that is below the bottom edge of the red. What that's gonna do is I'm gonna end up with a really long piece of red paper and then a slightly shorter piece of orange and then slightly shorter yellow and slightly, you get where I'm going with this. Now what I wanna do is I wanna take all of the ends and have them meet up, just like this. I'm not gonna crease it, I'm just sort of gently folding it around. So then I've got the other end of my green, my yellow, my orange, and my blue. I can kind of neaten that up a little bit. Next, you're gonna take a stapler if you have one. If not, you can take the time to glue all of these tabs or tape them all together, but it will take a little bit longer. So one stapler does the job really quick. Boom, just like that. And now I have half of my heart. I'm gonna go ahead and repeat that exact same strip to make the other half. And check it out, I have 2 halves, and if I put them together like this, do you see how they make a little heart shape? So cool. So what I'm gonna do so that I can actually have this be a mobile, which is something that I could hang up, is I'm just gonna add a piece of string that goes right in between. Now here I am gonna use some tape to attach my string to the inside of one half, just like this. And then I'm going to actually attach the other half with a little bit more tape that I'm just gonna put through here, because now I've got twice as much paper. Trying to get a stapler through all of that probably isn't gonna work for me. If you would like, you could use glue to do this at home. That will work very well. But again, I'm just gonna take a little piece of tape, fold it over one side, and again, I've got my string right in the middle, fold it over the other side, and check it out. It's my heart mobile. And if you want, you can do this more than one time. You can either have a bunch of hearts hanging on different strings that are all different lengths, or you can just have a bunch of hearts that all go up the same string. It's totally up to you. As long as you want to keep building these hearts, they actually make really cool decoration, super fun, super friendly. So I hope you had fun making your 3D paper heart mobile, and have a great rest of your day. Bye all.